These cycling POV videos are blowing up right now. One page grew to over 2 million followers just by posting these immersive riding clips. And some of their videos are pulling tens of millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact process I use to create them with AI from start to finish. And the best part? You can make videos like this in just a few minutes. First, join my free community Telegram. Links in the description. Open the ChatGPT section and launch the Cycling POV Generator. Hit Start Generator and it'll instantly give you 10 unique cycling scene ideas. You can choose one of the options, type your own custom idea, or ask for more until you find something you like. I'm picking this one. After that, the GPT will generate two things for you, an image prompt and a motion prompt. Copy the image prompt and head over to Flow AI. Choose the Nano Banana Pro model and paste the prompt into the box. Set the format to 9:16, choose how many images you want and generate. The results honestly look insane. The lighting, the scenery, the atmosphere, it feels like a real helmet cam shot from an actual ride. Pick your favorite image and click video option. Then select the ratio and upload that image. Go back to the GPT, copy the motion prompt and paste it into that prompt box. And that's literally it. Here are a few more videos I made using the same workflow. Once you get the hang of it, you can pump these out insanely fast. All the tools and links are in the description below. And subscribe if you want more viral AI content ideas and workflows like this. See you in the next video.